time no see, and sorry for the echo. We are in the new house, well, almost. We have actually been staying at a hotel for the last week so we could get utilities set up and let Larry work because he does work remotely right now still. So we had to make sure that he had Wi-Fi and all that stuff. And I look a hot mess because it's raining in Texas, and I don't know, rain, what is rain? Anyway, I would like to film an empty house tour, or as empty as it is right now. Let me catch my breath. I just unloaded everything. As empty as it is right now, I just did a bunch of shopping and stuff. I'll show you this hot mess. So I have like house stuff everywhere, and then this is a couple of groceries because we are going to move into this house tomorrow. Our stuff is still not here. I'm not sure when it will be here, but probably another week or so we'll be just living like this, which is so fun. But we've got air mattresses and it's gonna be fine. So I just wanna put this away / move it to one area so it's not everywhere, and then I'll film an empty house tour really quick. This is a rental home. Again, we're gonna rent for a year, maybe a little bit longer, a year and a half, and then we're hoping to find our dream house and buy. That is our plan. But yeah, so I'm gonna put the food away and get this organized. It's nothing exciting, or I would do a haul. I feel like it's not exciting though. And then I will film an empty house tour, hopefully before the sun goes down. So, see you in a minute, bye. Okay, so this is the front of the house. I'm not gonna show you the whole house because obviously privacy and things, but this is the front door. And so you just open it and you walk in, and like I said, we don't live here yet, so there's a towel on the floor. And this is what you see. Shut the door. Oh, I probably should have turned on all the lights. Not very good at this, y'all. Okay, let's start over. So you come in the front door. I've now turned on all the lights that I can turn on. And you see this big open area. This is going to be where our table sits. And if you've seen our other vlogs, our table is like a big rustic wood table with a rug under it. And so that will still go right there in the dining room area. And then this area, I'm not 100% sure what this will be because I don't know. I'm thinking maybe like a sitting area, or maybe get a cute console table and put like our record player and some plants and stuff. But that's this area when you first walk in. And then also when you walk in, here's the door. This is Larry's office. This is a really cool room because it could be a bedroom, but it does have little French doors, which is really nice, so Larry can have his privacy, but I can still wave at him because he does work remotely right now, as I said. So he has a ceiling fan, and this is like a built-in, so it is here to stay. So that's actually really nice because we can decorate that or whatever. And we are gonna replace all the lights in this house with bright lights so it's less yellow when I film, but he has a big window. And then they did put a closet in here, so this could be a fourth bedroom if you wanted it to be. But there's lots of storage in there, which is nice. He also has an entryway to the back hallway from his office. But I'm gonna take you through the house and I'll show you where that ends up anyway. But you can see that like these lights have very fluorescent lighting and looks less yellow, but then over in this area it's very yellow. So this is the hallway I was talking about. We'll go down there in a second. So yeah, this is where the dining room table will go. And there's also this giant mirror. Hello, this is me during a rainy day moving. But it's giant, and I didn't know this, but it's kind of nice. So big mirror there, and then you keep walking and you hit the kitchen. Again, please ignore my junk everywhere in the open living space area. We can't figure out how to turn this light on, so we have to ask the landlord, but yeah. So I'll start with the kitchen. Let's see. Again, ignore all my stuff, but this is the kitchen overview. We're gonna get some bar stools. I already ordered them. They're really cute. They'll go right there. And then in the kitchen, There is this nice nook where either our microwave will go or it'll be like the coffee area, and then we'll put like mugs up here and coffee in this drawer. There's a brand new refrigerator, which is super nice, and I went grocery shopping, as I said, and bought Bluebell ice cream because we in the land of Bluebell now, and some frozen pizzas and frozen lasagna because we can't cook anything else. But yeah, it's a really nice fridge, so I think I'll actually do like a fridge organization video because I've never done one of those because all of our fridges have sucked, but I'm excited about that. And then here's a pantry, which is so nice. And of course I didn't turn the light on here. There's just a bag of bags down there, but here's my little walk-in pantry. I don't know why it keeps going blurry, but very nice. They lined the shelves with wrapping paper, I guess to keep it clean, but whatever. And then if you turn around from the pantry, you see the rest of the island, which is where your sink and dishwasher are, and then more drawers and cabinets and stuff. This is my candy cane cold brew delicious. And I got this dish rack at Marshall's. And then on this side is a bunch of cabinets, bunch of counter space, and our stove and oven. And then over here is where your kitchen table could go. We don't have a kitchen table, but we are debating on getting like a little breakfast nook table kind of thing. The lady that owns this house left these chairs for us, so while we don't have furniture, we have a chair. This is all stuff that I have bought. Just go through, we got some skinny syrups. I bought this puzzle so that we could do a puzzle while we have no furniture. Got some stainless steel cleaners, some pans, some snacks. I'm gonna try my luck at making some hot cocoa bombs for my friends. My friend Erin loves Lucky Charms, and my friend Elena doesn't do dairy, which I'm now just realizing that chocolate still has dairy. So I'm gonna figure that out. But then here are a bunch of pot rack lid things, some cute Valentine's Day placemats, some fridge organizers, a pan, because like I said, we literally have nothing to cook with. And then I found this blanket at Marshall's that is the Pendleton National Parks one, but it is the Glacier National Park where Larry and I got engaged. So anyway, back to the house. So this is, like I said, maybe where we will get like a breakfast nook area, and then I think we're gonna get a bar cart for this like caddy corner. I think that'll be super cute, and then like a circle rug, because I've never had a circle rug. And then out here is our beautiful patio. Oh, well, okay, it's locked. It's so fun out here. We are actually gonna install a ceiling fan out here because it will be hot in Texas, and they had one before but took it with them. We do not have a backyard neighbor, which is super nice, but everything is covered out here, which is great. So it stops on this side. So there's a chance we might get a hot tub for like right here. We'll see if I can convince Laird. But then it goes all the way down here. So this will probably be our main area. So we'll get a big rug, and then I think like a couch and a couple of chairs and a table. And then it just like walks all the way around. And we have grass, and so fun. And then this goes back to the front yard. So yeah, it's a pretty big backyard. I'm pretty pumped about it actually. So, and then like I said, we have no neighbors back there, so we can be a little bit louder and nobody will bug us or call the cops on us. And then we're back in the kitchen from the patio. So now is the living room area. So this room is gonna be a little bit different than a normal person would set it up because Larry has a giant TV. His 75-inch TV will not fit in the TV hutch. So I'm gonna have to do some decor in there and some decor on top of the fireplace, and like within this little area I wanna do some stuff, maybe like some vases and pampas or whatever. I bought these baskets. I don't love them. I think I'm gonna take them back and get 2 smaller ones, so then it is all the way full. But this is gonna be decorated. I think I'm gonna get a big mirror and pictures and stuff and hopefully decorate it, and then we'll store stuff down there. But his TV will go on this wall, our couch will go here, it's a sectional, and then our ottoman will go in the middle. So that's that. Also has a nice big view of the backyard. And then over here is the master. We have our ceiling fan, and it's pretty big in here. I think this is like 16 by 12, so much bigger than our other one. And that's our air mattress and bedding. Yeah, and then our bathroom also has French doors, which is kind of cool. Very nice little touch. You can just open half of them or whatever. Landlord decided to redo the shower a week before we moved in. So it's not done because of COVID. But I will show it to you how far it is done. This used to be just like one of those clear stand-up showers, and they have made it this, sorry for the yellow color, I can't really fix it currently. Let's try. I'm making it worse. So we're gonna go back to 0. But this is a beautiful, it's got like a sparkle and it's pure white. It's not yellow at all. Maybe I can show you better over this. Nope, it's terrible lighting in here. But yeah, so they redid this. So there is, the floor still needs to be done, and then there's no door, obviously. But they did it all the way around the bathtub, which looks super great. And I've never had a big bathtub, so I'm actually really excited. And on our register, I had one of those bath flat desk things. So I just ordered it with our registry completion thing. But yeah, so that's what the shower looks like. I'll update it later. Over here is a toilet closet. And then there's a double sink with a vanity. The only thing about this bathroom that's not ideal is there's like no storage, none. So Larry and I think we're gonna get a set of drawers over here, maybe from IKEA, or even just plastic drawers because it's a rental house, we don't really care. But something to give us more storage. And then I'm getting a little stool. I bought one, I'll see if it fits. But yeah, so this is the bathroom. And then this is the closet. Oh, it is on. Sorry, it's dark. So she goes tall and she is long. So there is this storage, which we'll use like 2 shelves for like towels, I think. And then I'll probably use the bottom 2 shelves for scrubs. And then there's also these hooks over here, which I think I'll hang like purses on and stuff. But then there's obviously long for like dresses or suits or whatever. And there's a shelf up here and a shelf down here, and it goes all the way back over here too. So lots of space to play with in the closet, which is so nice. So I'm excited about that. Turn off lights as I go, or they'll just stay on. Okay, so now we're back in here, obviously, and we're gonna walk to the hallway that I was talking about. So this is the hallway to the other bedrooms, the laundry room, the other bathroom, and the garage. There is an attic up here. I don't know that we're allowed to use it. So when you walk straight back here, you see this closet, which has a lot of shelves. Like, I'm not really sure what they did with all these shelves, but a linen closet over here and a hall closet over here. So lots of storage back here, which is nice. This is the guest bathroom. This is not our shower curtain. This is one that she left here. This is not our rug, this one that she left here. I realized that I didn't have any guest towels. I only packed a towel for me and Larry, and Larry's brother is coming tonight. So I bought a new set of towels at Target. This room is also very yellow. There's nothing special in here. We'll decorate it, but 1 sink, but like a big amount, and then lots of storage in here for some reason, nobody knows. And then a medicine cabinet, so that's nice. And then this is gonna be my craft room slash guest room. So my thought is to put the full bed that we had in the other house at the guest room right here. And then this will all be crafting stuff. So I got like a big desk and some storage and things for my Cricut and scrapbook area. It is very echoey in here, I'm very sorry. And then here's the door to Larry's office. So this is the hallway that it connects. And then back here is gonna be the guest room. This room we're really excited about, or I'm really excited about. We have a lot of ideas. We're getting a queen size bed, a rug, new bedding, and I'm just really excited. So This is this room. Both of these rooms have the same closet that the office has, with a little bit more space because it goes further back, but yeah. So they both have the French door closet. Yeah, so that's all the rooms. And then this is the laundry room. It is a terrible green. We did not pick it, we know. We do have a washer and dryer included, which is super nice. And then this door opens to the garage, which is motion sensor, so hold on. There we go. It's a big garage, but there is no like storage, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. There is this like step down, which is kind of nice, so we might put a shelf there if we can find one skinny enough. But yeah, that is it. That is our cute little rental house. We are excited to decorate it and get all our stuff and just live here and explore and all that. But yeah, that is our house. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys soon with a home haul probably, or some adventures in Texas that are safe and COVID friendly because we out here. Okay, bye.